What are the steps that are necessary?
Growth will be good even in the present quarter and the quarters to follow, mainly because we must remember that although the monsoon being bad will affect the crop output, the earnings in rural India might actually increase because the prices of various crops will go up as a result of the shortfall in production. So earnings in rural India might actually increase. Of course, we will ultimately know. So we don't think there will be much of an effect in demand in rural India. In fact, it can be better. However, what effect might come about because of the poor monsoon is in the 10% of the bottom income earners in urban India, because they will be affected by higher food prices and they spend a very large portion of their income on food. So there might be some lower demand. However, there we may be slightly affected in our household insecticides business because they may consume less. However, soap is a necessity everybody consumes, and hair color is something if people start using it, they can't stop using it. So we don't expect much effect on our businesses because of our portfolio. So I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have.
Hi sir.
Yeah.
The thing is that also Godrej #1 is one of the leading hair colors in the market. We see.
No, Godrej Expert.
Godrej Expert, of course,
Yeah.
I'm sorry. But the sales growth in your hair color segment has been slightly muted, if I may say so. Can you explain what is really
Yes. Last year, in the same quarter, we launched our new hair color range, Godrej Expert hair colors, both in the earlier black variant, which is a blue colored packaging, and in the advanced and care. Now this has been doing very well, but the base last year in the same quarter was high because of the launch. When you launch a new product, you are selling not only to the consumers, but you are also selling some for stocking with the distributors and the retailers. So the base was a little high. We expect growth during the year to be quite high, starting with the second quarter itself.
And also, sir, in terms of when Godrej Air was launched about a month ago, at that time we had a word with Mr. Sunil Kataria, and he had spoken to us saying that the product that you have, the rival product that you have in Indonesia, there was going to be no cross-pollination that was going to take place. However, the press release mentions that there is going to be cross-pollination to Indonesia. So, is this a case of Godrej Air being launched in Indonesia and Indonesia's product, or that particular formula being
implemented? No, we are very clear. See, we have launched Air. It has been an extremely successful launch. In fact, unfortunately, it's been so successful that we are a little short supplied. We didn't plan for production fast enough. Now, of course, we have planned, but we have learnt a lot in this launch of Air in India from our Indonesian operations, where we are leaders in the air freshener market, and from our earlier experience with Ambipure, which Godrej Sara Lee used to manufacture and market on a license from the Sara Lee Corporation. So both those experiences have been extremely useful. However, it is not going to be the same kind of products in India and Indonesia because each market is quite different, nor are we going to have a common brand. So in Indonesia it will be the Stella brand, and here it will be the Air brand, Godrej Air. But there is a lot of exchange at the R&D level, product development level and other such levels, but not a common brand nor common SKUs.
Your ad spends have gone up by 30% YOY. So
little more than 30%, yeah. Sorry?
Will you be looking at cutting down on your ad spends?
No. We remember our sales also grew a lot. So we expect to continue to have high sales growth and high advertising expenditure growth.
And what about your input cost? Do you see any effect happening on that, especially because of the revision monsoon?
Well, there are different effects. Generally speaking, inflation does continue. One of the major raw materials we consume is vegetable oil, which is for our soap business. That's the only commodity item that we consume. Now that has been going up and down. right now there is a global shortage of vegetable oil because of the bad weather in the United States. So the soybean crop there has been affected. The Indian drought has also affected oilseed. So it's difficult to tell at this time, but we don't expect any reduction in costs of vegetable oils, and therefore of course we will pass on cost increases as we have been doing. So our soap business, you might have noticed, has grown by I think 44%